Hi friends, welcome to an after run yoga practice. It's gonna be really short, about 5 to 7 minutes, and all you need is your mat or even nothing. You can practice it with your shoes still on or barefoot. So the first thing I will do after a run, it will be to stretch my quads. And to do that, you can place your right knee right at the edge of the wall and then your left foot in front. Bring both hands on your left knee and simply breathe here. Long inhales and long exhales through the nose. So make sure you try to bring your hips even, looking forward. You're tucking your tail and you're really feeling a strong stretch into your right quad. Exhale, release, and switch sides. So you can do this quad stretch even standing in a much more classical and traditional way, but it's not that deep and it's not that helpful. So I strongly suggest you to find a wall and make sure you deeply stretch your quads, which are the biggest muscles together with your glutes that you guys are engaging when you're running. And then release. Great. Now, bring back your mat. And from here, simply come into hands and knees and stretch into your downward dog. And please make sure you're walking your dog here. So stretching one leg, bending the other, then changing sides, opening the back of your hamstrings and your calves. Nice. And then inhale, bring your left knee just behind your left wrist. And from here, coming to pigeon. So come back with your right knee and simply stay here. Make sure your hips are aligned, and you can use supports, also placing a block or a blanket just below your right hip. Look forward and breathe. And if your body allows it, of course, you can also fold forward. Inhale, look forward. Step back to down dog. Pedal it a bit, and then we switch sides. So right knee below your right wrist. Pigeon pose. Check if you perceive strong differences between one side and the other. Usually we all have a favorite side here. Inhale, look forward. Step back into downward dog, and then walk your feet towards your hands towards your feet. And then from here, inhale, look forward, stretch your legs. Exhale, bend your knees and fold forward with your head heavy towards the ground. So you can also open a bit your stance here, grab opposite elbows with opposite hands, and simply swing left to right. Bend your knees as much as you need to, of course. And then when you move to the right and to the left, you can also open a bit your movement, creating a 90-degree angle, stretching your side body and perhaps your IT band as well. And then one vertebra after the other, come up, unroll your spine, and stand. Now come to seated. You can squat in Malasana if it is accessible, or you can use a prop below your glutes, and you can just stay here for a couple of breaths. Perhaps you can swing front and back as well. And then come back into hands and knees. This time bring your left foot in front of you. Bring it in front, extend your left leg, and from here look forward while we stretch the back of your left leg. You can even fold a bit here. What matters is really that you feel the stretch, not how much you bend and fold. And then switch sides. Good. Whoop. Come back into hands and knees, and we'll finish the sequence by bringing yourselves into our back, grabbing our knees, and simply rock left and right to release any tension in our spine, in our back. Awesome. And then come back to seated. Great. Thank you, guys. Thank you for showing up and practicing. I hope your run went well. Let me know in the comments below. And if you didn't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next practice. Before you go, guys, if you really enjoyed the practice and you want to know a bit more about why your body feels the way it does, I created something for you. It's a free mobility assessment. It's 5 tests. It's about 10 to 15 minutes to do it. I think it's really helpful for you guys in order to really understand where your body is restricted and why. So feel free to share it. It's in the link below. And hopefully I'll see you soon on the mat. Namaste. Ciao.